Two giants in home security. One classic, one disruptor. Ring versus Wyze. Which one really protects your home? On the left, Ring. Smart, robust security for every home. And on the right, Wyze. Essential protection with unbeatable value. Let's skip the marketing fluff and get into what actually matters. Each category gets points, so you'll see a clear winner by the end. And the outcome just might surprise you. Here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing. Price, video quality, security features, ease of use and installation, smart home integration, cloud and local storage, and ecosystem and expandability. Yep, we're covering it all. Ready? All right, first up, price. Ring comes in with way more product choices, including those fancy doorbells. But if we're being real, it's not cheap. Most Ring cams and accessories start higher, and then you've got those subscription plans that can kind of sneak up on you. On the flip side, Wyze is, honestly, wild. Some models are under $30. You get basic local storage, affordable cloud plans, and there's rarely a reason to pay monthly unless you wanna. Sure, Wyze doesn't have all those premium bells and whistles, but for the price, it wins, hands down. Rolling next into video quality. So here's the thing. Ring's got the edge. No question. You get crisp 1080p, some models go even higher, full color night vision, which is super cool, and you can see a ton with their wide angles. But yeah, many advanced features do need that subscription. Wyze also gives you 1080p HD, and their infrared night vision is solid for the price, but no 4K here, and colors at night aren't super punchy. Winner in video quality? Ring. Let's talk security features, because honestly, this is where things get real. Ring pulls out all the stops. Professional monitoring, built-in sirens, emergency response, AI-powered alerts for everything from people to packages, SOS. It's like Fort Knox if you spring for their premium plans. The only catch? Well, those crazy good features do require you to pay monthly. Wyze? It covers the basics. Motion detection, two-factor authentication, which is nice, but there's just not as much depth. No sirens, no pro monitoring out of the box. So, who takes security? It's Ring by a mile. Oh, and here's something cool before we go on. Did you know Ring's siren is as loud as a chainsaw? Seriously, 110 decibels. Wyze Cam V3 got named one of the best budget security cams for 2025 too. Wild, right? Now, ease of use and installation. Okay, both of these are honestly a breeze. Ring walks you through setup like you're 5. Super simple, very user-friendly app, and hey, Alexa integration on top. Only thing, you kinda need a decent Wi-Fi signal or you'll see some hiccups. Wyze, though, is even faster. You've got these direct-to-door kits, set up in minutes. Super clear app, no headaches. Just maybe not as customizable as some higher-end brands. But yeah, both super strong here, so it's a tie. Smart home integration. This is where things get nerdy. So Ring's like the king for Alexa homes. Everything works together. Doorbells, sensors, alarms, all in one neat little app. Downside? If you're not into Alexa, it's not super flexible. Wyze, though, honestly surprised me. It does Alexa and Google Assistant, works with IFTTT for automations, and if you're into tinkering, it fits right in with basic smart devices. You don't get those really advanced routines, but for normal home setups, it's got like a zoo of options. Again, both strong. Let's call this one a tie. Cloud and local storage time. Ring has these flexible Protect plans, up to 180 days cloud storage, and you pick tiers based on how many cameras you've got, which is nice except you can't do local storage, and yes, subscriptions are basically a must. Wyze has free cloud clips, like 12 seconds for 14 days, and Cam Plus is barely even a splurge. But hey, here's something cool. Actual micro SD local recording right on the cam. Downside? Longer clips do cost, and the free cloud retention is short. Overall, Ring wins this round if cloud is your thing. Finally, ecosystem and expandability. So Ring's got a lot. Cameras, doorbells, security lights, alarms, all controlled in one app. Super convenient, but yeah, building out a whole Ring universe gets expensive quick. Wyze is more focused, mainly cameras, plus a few extra smart plugs or sensors. Not as many cross-device options, but honestly, for smaller setups, it's fine. Winner for flexibility and scale? It's Ring. So when you map it all out, price, features, expandability, you kind of see Ring dominating the premium side, while Wyze is just unbeatable for value. It's like pretty clear in the radar chart. All right, so what's my take? If you want the absolute best security, full smart home stuff, or you're decking out an entire house, Ring is your best bet, hands down. But if you're on a budget, renting, or just need a camera or two without all the crazy extras, Wyze is honestly the go-to. Want more security insights? Follow along if you want to get smarter with your home tech. There's a lot more